If you are fat or a chubby person and you want to lose your weight, then this video is for you. You do everything like proper exercise and walk, but you are unable to maintain your weight. That is just because of your bad habits. If you want to lose your weight, you should need to quit your bad habits and avoid these foods. In this video, we will discuss 12 such things that you should avoid if you have a dream to lose weight. Number 1. Sugary beverages. Sugary beverages contain added sweeteners and flavors. These include soda, tonic, energy drinks, and more. A single tablespoon contains about 4 grams of sugar. In the same way, a can of soda contains 7 to 10 tablespoons of sugar. You need to swap off your soda with a glass of lemon water for accelerating weight loss. Number 2. Potato chips. Potato chips contain extra flavorings, additives, fat, and sugar. Chips are the worst in case of fat. This leads to obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and Number 3. Processed meat. Obesity and weight gain is directly linked to processed meats, which include a canned meat. They contain a number of different combinations of delicious flavors, additives, and fats, which usually makes people overeat. They lack fibers, proteins, vitamins, and other essential nutrients. Number 4. White rice. White rice is a favorite food for half of the Earth's population. A single cup of rice contains 200 calories, which is actually a disaster for losing weight. Number 5. Diet soda. How can someone say that diet soda is safe? Low calories doesn't mean low sugar content. In simple words, refined and artificial sugars causes weight. Number 6. French fries. A pack of French fries may contain 427 calories, which means it's a high calorie food. So the people who want to lose their weight must quit this food. Number 7. Whipped cream. Desserts are considered nothing without a layer of whipped cream on it. Actually, we people are used to having creams in coffee, baked goods, and a lot of other things. A tablespoon has 50 calories along with 10 grams of fat in it. Number 8. Chocolate bars. It is the world's favorite dessert. While dark chocolate has health benefits, milk chocolate bars are packed with calories, sugar, and very low nutrients. So the girls who want to lose weight should quit chocolate. Number 9. Peanut butter. Peanuts are high in fats and calories. Eating just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter contains 190 calories, which is unpleasant news if you are looking to lose weight. Number 10. Fried chicken. It is Pakistan's favorite food. Sadly, it contributes to massive weight gain. When chicken is fried, it becomes dense in calorie content. This happens because it loses water and absorbs oil. If you eat it every day, not only it increases your weight, but also your cholesterol level and increases the complications. Number 11. Ice cream. Ice cream is made from heavy cream loaded with sugar and dense fat content. Just 1 cup of vanilla ice cream contains 14 grams of fat in it. Number 12. Jam. Fruit jams are a part of balanced breakfast, especially for kids. This classic sweet contains high calorie sugar and zero fiber. It also dense with glucose and leads to weight gain. Number 13. Savory sauces. Barbecue sauce, ketchup sauce, classic mayonnaise, and others contain shockingly high amount of fat and calories. Just 1 spoon of mayo contains 10 grams of fat and 100 calories. So friends, this video was all about all those things that you should avoid if you want to lose weight. Meet you soon in the next video inshallah. Stay tuned, keep watching and keep supporting.